How to share your Shein cart on app. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll simply guide you on how you can share your Shein's cart on app, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. Now maybe you have a Shein account, maybe you have some items added to your cart, you want someone to review it before you're purchasing it, so you want to share the cart. Is that possible? Well, no. But again, no, because it is not entirely impossible. You can still share your cart in an indirect way. To do this, currently if I just come to my cart page, you can see I have got 2 items here. With one quantity being 2, I have got 3 items, of course. Now after this process, right over here you can see I don't have any share button or whatever else I can do so that I can share this with my friends or so on. But there is still a simple thing that we can do. What we want to do is, from this cart, these items, we're going to add them to our wish list. From our wish list, we're going to add them to our board, and then we can create our board, and then we can share that board itself. All of the items that are in the cart will be shifted to board, and our friends or family will be able to review it. Now right under this cart page, on the right hand side, you'll find the little heart icon, which is to the meaning that we can add them to our wish list. So just tap the little heart option over here, tap on yes. Tap on the heart option, tap on yes. These items will be moved to our wish list. To view our wish list, we have to tap the heart icon here. But we're still not complete yet. You can see this is wish list and this is the items in the wish list. Doesn't really mean that we've successfully went ahead and then we can share it right from here. After this, what you want to do is just come to this board section here. Once you come to this board section, tap on create board option. For this video, I'm just going to name this board demo, let's say. Once I just name this board, I'll tap on create board. Now when I create board, it will show me the items on my wish list, not from my app, but from my wish list. So I can select all the items here by tapping the all button. I can tap on add to board. These wish list items that is transferred from my cart will be added to my board. Now what I can do is, if there are too many products here, I can simply share the board itself. So just come to board. This is the board that we created, and here you'll see the items of that board. Tap the little share icon that you can see over here, which is the upper arrow icon. When you tap on it, you can simply send them to your friends or family by tapping and copying the link and then just sending them to your friends or whoever else you actually prefer. This way you can go ahead and indirectly share your Shein's cart on the Shein app. But as I said, it's a little bit lengthy process, but if this is what you're looking for, hopefully this video helped you understand your question. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.